Hello guys, today I'm playing Murder Mystery 2. This guys, that's the bacon. Oh, I think it's the murder. Oh. Hey, what you doing? What's you do? You should. By here. No. What happened today? My guy was murdered. Guys, I don't know how to play this. Noob. I can spell it right up by noob because it will always tag it wasn't like look, bacon have super jumps like I barely like bacon is the best, guys. I didn't know how to play this game. I didn't know how to play this game. Guys, can you guys teach me? Can you guys teach me? I don't know how to play at this game. One model, I say red. Two more. Guys, so you see I'm recording right here. Oh no, it's that girl. We're dead right now. Yeah, it's him. Oh no, it's not. Look. Look, guys. I don't care that. You see that? Guys, I'm noob. I'm currently at the. Oh, you didn't see that, guys? Oh, I'm feeling I'm at the fourth one. I am Eternal Bacon Place. I'm at my different account. Like now, I couldn't go to my Eternal Bacon Real account. So, what will they pick today? Because I always. But what are you doing? Guys, today I have got. Yes! We're gonna take this out, all of them. Starting with the mouse. That white girl. What are you guys doing? You're not doing anything, bacon. Oh, wait a minute, bacon. I'm your bacon friend. So feeling us. So all of them. So all of my best here. Yeah, bro, it stabbed someone. See, I'm noob. See, I'm noob, guys. See, I'm noob. See, I'm literally noob. See, I'm literally noob. I don't know how to play. look, I'm stuck. Like, look, I'm literally innocent again. Like, I'm literally innocent. Guys, I'm literally innocent. Like, I don't have something from my emotes, like here. Bro, why me? See? I'm not good. See? I'm not good, guys. I'm not. Oh, what did you? I'm not good. I'm not good, bro. I'm not good. I'm not good. This pretending is so very like nice, chill. They didn't even know yet that I am uh, like I am the I like I can't spell it. Like I am the strongest literally here. They didn't see me through identity. I'm a fake. The toys very expand. Oh no. That girl is about to get cooked. Wait, do we have Edens too? I hope you can do that. What the bro, can you even shoot at the right time for this? Yeah, there we go. See guys? I'm just gonna run for the moon. Like, look, I'm even noob. I'm standing at this. Like, I fall, bro. Like, look, I'm just in here. I fall. Look, what the? I always fall like this. Gee. Oh no, man, that's here we go. Wait, why do I'm innocent again? I'm innocent. I'm innocent again. Like I do not have throw today. This is what they will call. This is what you get for killing me. This is how to get. Like he didn't even know yet. Like look, I didn't even kill someone. Like look. I'm not camping. So, what about that? Bro, you're a pro. Bro, I'm not pro. I didn't finding it out. Oh no. Yo, no. Are they finding it out? No, I'm not, bro. Bro, that was not me. I got killed. I think. No way. Are they about to find it?
May buong salad pa.
3, 2, 1. Oh, I know. Hey, yo, what the? I'm I'm recording. On, live on. Yep. Better not be clear. Please hit that subscribe. So hit that subscribe button.